Corn is one of the most widely eaten grains on the planet, but very few people actually understand what it's doing inside their body. Today we're breaking down the real health benefits, the nutrition facts, and the side effects nobody talks about when it comes to this everyday staple. Rich in essential nutrients. Corn is packed with fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and B vitamins like folate and thiamine. It also contains antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are rare in most other grains. A single cup of corn gives you a solid dose of energy along with minerals your body needs daily, making it far more than just a filler food on your plate. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in corn helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. It adds bulk to stool, prevents constipation, and feeds the healthy bacteria living in your gut. A well-fed gut microbiome is linked to better immunity, improved mood, and even more stable blood sugar levels over time, so this humble grain is doing more work than most people realize. Boosts eye health. Corn contains two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, that build up in the retina of your eye. These compounds act like natural sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Regularly eating corn may help protect your vision well into old age, especially if you're someone who spends hours staring at screens every day. Provides energy and aids weight management. Corn is a complex carbohydrate, meaning it releases energy slowly instead of spiking your blood sugar. This makes it a great source of sustained fuel for your day. The fiber also keeps you feeling full longer, which can naturally reduce overeating, curb unnecessary snacking, and support healthy weight management without you even trying too hard. Supports heart health. Corn contains potassium and fiber, two nutrients directly linked to lower blood pressure and reduced cholesterol. Its antioxidants also help fight inflammation, one of the leading contributors to heart disease. Swapping refined grains for whole corn is a simple way to support long-term cardiovascular health and keep your arteries working the way they should. Possible side effects. Despite its benefits, corn isn't perfect for everyone. It's high in carbohydrates, so people managing diabetes need to watch their portion sizes closely. Some individuals also experience bloating or digestive discomfort due to its fiber content, and corn allergies, though rare, do exist. Processed corn products like corn syrup should also be limited, since they offer none of the nutritional benefits of the whole grain. Corn is cheap, versatile, and genuinely good for you when eaten in its whole, natural form. If this helped you see your food differently, hit subscribe for more videos that break down what you're really eating, one topic at a time.